Suprabhat. Today we are going to learn about valency of an element. In last year we have studied about the valency. What is valency? Valency of an element is the capacity of it to react with other elements. Okay. Now this year we are going to learn about somewhat different way. That is what happens whenever sodium reacts with chlorine. In that case, what happens? Sodium donates one electron and Cl accepts one electron to form corresponding positive and negative ion. Now there is electrostatic force of attraction, and because of that these two ions come close to each other and form a bonding, that is ionic bonding. These are called as ions. This is positive ion, this is negative ion, and these ions are electrically charged, and therefore there is force of electrostatic attraction because those are opposite charges, and they form ionic compound, and such ionic compounds are very strong compounds. These bonds, electrostatic bonds, cannot be easily broken. Okay, therefore their melting point, boiling point very high. They remain solid at room temperature. So this is what. Now how to study about valency from this? As sodium has donated one electron, so its valency is positive 1. So valency is 1. And chlorine has accepted one electron, so its valency is negative 1. These are the valencies. Understood? Now what will happen if carbon reacts with oxygen or calcium reacts with oxygen? What happens? This Ca donates 2 electrons and to form a dipositive ion, and these 2 electrons are accepted by oxygen to form one mononegative ion, one dinegative ion. Now these are again equal and oppositely charged, therefore we can form calcium oxide, and so valency of calcium is plus 2, oxygen is minus 2. Valency of calcium is plus 2 and oxygen is minus 2. For example, to form MgCl2, magnesium chloride. What happens? As capacity of Cl to take electron is only 1, and therefore what happens? But capacity of magnesium to donate electrons is 2. Therefore Mg donates 2 electrons. But Cl can accept only 1 electron. Therefore there comes 2 Cl atoms to accept these 2 electrons to form 2 Cl negative ions. Now these 2 Cl negative ions are balanced with Mg double plus and they form MgCl2. This can therefore valency of Mg is plus 2, whereas valency of Cl is minus 1. So in this way we can find out the valency. Understood? What is the easiest way to find valency? Go to the formula HCl. Here 1 is there. So write here 1 atom of hydrogen, 1 atom of chlorine. This is valency of hydrogen, this is valency of chlorine. Therefore, valency of hydrogen 1, Cl 1. H2O, hydrogen R2, oxygen is 1, cross. So, valency of again hydrogen is 1 and oxygen is 2. As number of electrons donated or accepted is a whole number, that is number of electrons donated or accepted can be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, not more than 4. Number of electrons accepted can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, valency is a whole number. It cannot be fractional one. Understood? We have learned the electronic configuration of various elements in last standard. Okay? Therefore, from electronic configuration also we can find the valency. Valency, for example, sodium, its electronic configuration is 2, 8, 1. So last one is less than 4. Therefore, its valency is 1. Cl 2, 8, 7. Now 7 is greater than 1, greater than 4. In that case, we have to subtract 7 from 8. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. That is, here electron is accepted. So its valency is also 1, but it is negative 1. It is negative 1, it is positive 1. It should complete its octet in the outermost shell. Here, by accepting one electron, single electron, it can be completed. For donation, there are 7 electrons are to be detached, which is quite tough task. Here only accepting 7 electrons is tough, but donating 1 electron is easy. Therefore, its valency is 1 and here its valency is negative 1. And carbon, its electronic configuration is 2, 4. So, here its valency is 4, but we cannot say about plus minus because with hydrogen it forms covalent bonds, with oxygen also it forms covalent bond, but there is sharing of electrons, but its valency is 4. Fluorine, as atomic number is 9. So we can derive what is electronic configuration 2, 7. If 7 is there, in that case valency is 1. So now your task is to complete the chart given on page number 54. Thank you.